Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday apps to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to request money on Cash App, a super straightforward feature that's perfect for splitting bills, getting paid for gigs, or even asking friends for that coffee you bought them. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. First off, why use Cash App for this? It's fast, secure, and directly linked to your bank, making money requests a breeze. Let's jump right in with the steps. Start by ensuring you have the Cash App downloaded on your smartphone. If not, grab it from the App Store or Google Play Store, it's free. Step 1. Open the app and log into your account. You'll see your balance at the top and a clean dashboard. Step 2. Tap on the $sign icon at the bottom center of the screen. This is your hub for all payment activities. Step 3. From the menu that pops up, select Request. It's usually right next to the Pay option. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to request. Be precise. For example, if you're asking for $20, type that in. Step 5. Add a note to make it clear. Something like reimbursement for lunch helps the other person understand quickly. Step 6. Search for the person by their Cash App username, phone number, or email. Make sure it's the right contact to avoid any mix-ups. Step 7. Hit the Request button, and you're all set. They'll get a notification, and once they approve, the funds will hit your account almost instantly. A quick tip. Always double-check the details before sending, and ensure your bank is linked for smooth transactions. If you run into issues, Cash App's support is just a tap away in the app settings. There you have it. Requesting money on Cash App is that simple. It saves time and reduces the hassle of traditional payments. If this video helped you, drop a like, comment below with your favorite Cash App hack, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay savvy.